Hey friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn how can we change our Facebook password. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. You need to open Facebook account and here from you need to click on profile section and scroll down, and here you see an option of setting and privacy. Click on it and then again press on setting. From here you need to press on this whole box where it's showing Meta account center, and from here you can scroll down and here you see an option password and security. Click on it, and here your first option you see is change password. Click on it. I have two accounts showing here, Facebook and my Instagram also linked with my Facebook account, so we are going to change our Facebook account password. So you need to click on Facebook. So if you remember your current password, you need to enter your current password here and then you type a new password and retype a new password and click on change password button. Your Facebook password will be changed successfully. So if you don't remember your current Facebook password and you still need to change your password, so you need to click on this forgot your password button. When I press on it, it will navigate me to a new screen where it's showing, can we send you a code on your email or send a code via notifications. From here you can choose both options. You can choose Gmail options, and here Facebook will send you a reset email link to your email, and if you choose send a code via Facebook notification, then Facebook will send you a notification. I'll choose my first option where I receive an email, so I press on it and press I continue, and here it asks me to enter the 6-digit code. So here it is, Facebook send me a 6-digit code. I'll type here 380 450 and then press on continue, and here you need to type a new password. Remember that your new password will be a unique, you never use on your Facebook account before. When I type here my new password and click on next, then he will give me another options confirm, and when I will press on confirm button, uh, then my Facebook account password will be changed. So these are the simple steps you can follow and you change your Facebook password very easily. I hope this video found you helpful. If you find this video helpful, then please hit a like button and also subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thank you.